Welcome students to your first digital learning day of Big Cat's vocabulary lesson, week 7. Today we're going to be looking at the vocabulary words that we learned from reading Big Cats. As you can see from the screen, the book looks a little different. This is the revised edition that Seymour Simon put out. So the pictures are going to look kind of new, but our words are going to stay the same. All right, so in this book, let me get to the next slide. All right. We learned that tigers have big appetites. It says, I'm going to read the first paragraph. It says, the tiger will attack an animal as large as an elephant or a rhinoceros, but it will eat any smaller animal it can catch, from crabs, frogs, and fish to wild pigs, deer, and bears. In places where wild animals are becoming scarce, tigers prey heavily on cattle and sheep. When a tiger kills a large animal, it often drags its prey to a hiding place and feeds upon it for 3 or 4 days. In a single day, eating several meals until it is full, an adult tiger can devour almost half of its own weight in meat. The first word you're going to learn today is devour. So sometimes you can figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word like devour by rereading the sentence that includes the word to look for clues. As I reread the sentence again, I want you and your partner to think about what the word devour might mean and which words in the sentence are clues to its meaning. In a single day, eating at several meals until it is full, an adult tiger can devour almost half its own weight in meat. Based on what you just heard, what do you think the word devour might mean? Use prompt 1. I think devour means blank. Talk to your partner. Okay. Which words in the sentence are clues to the meaning of devour? Use prompt 2. The word blank is a clue to the meaning of devour because. Talk to your partner. Devour means eat something quickly and hungrily. Devour and eat are synonyms. I want to point out that the words where it says eating at several meals until it is full, those are clues to the meaning of devour. Devour means about the same thing as eat. However, there is one important difference. If an animal devours its food, it does not eat slowly or in small bites. It eats quickly and hungrily. Animals like big cats devour their prey or eat their prey quickly and hungrily because they are hungry and because they do not want other animals to steal their food. People sometimes devour food as well, especially if they are very hungry. Looking at the new prompt on the screen, why is it not a good idea to devour your food? Use prompt 1. It is not a good idea to devour your food because. Talk to your partner. 3, 2, 1. Seymour Simon could have written that a tiger can eat almost half its own weight in meat, but he chose to use the word devour because he wanted readers to clearly picture in their minds how quickly and hungrily a tiger can eat. Now that you know the word devour, you have just the right word to use in your own writing when you want to write about someone or something eating quickly and hungrily. What is the new word that we learned that means to eat something quickly and hungrily? Good job, devour. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look on the left side of the screen. It says the lion is sometimes called the king of beasts. It certainly looks the part. An adult male lion has a noble head and mane, a powerful jaw and sharp teeth, and what seems to be a dignified manner. The next word you're going to learn today is dignified. Dignified means confident, calm, and in control. Lions appear to have a dignified manner or way of behaving. They seem calm and in control. A person who is dignified has self-confidence and self-control. A dignified person does not lose his temper and stays calm even in a stressful situation. Someone who I think is dignified is our teachers and our office support and our office staff. And I think that they are dignified because I notice how they stay in control, and even in stressful situations, sometimes there's a lot of like chaos going on, and they stay calm and in control. Who do you know that you would think is or say or consider dignified? Why would you describe that person as dignified? Use prompt 1. Blank is dignified because, talk to your partner. Three, 2, 1. All right, we are going to describe something that our 5th grade friend Tulip is doing. Then you and your partner will discuss whether Tulip is being dignified and explain why you think so. Tulip is giving a report to her class. Some of her classmates are being noisy, so Tulip waits patiently for them to settle down. When the class is quiet, Tulip begins to talk. Is Tulip being dignified? Use prompt 2. Tulip is not being dignified because. Talk to your partner. Three, 2, 1. Next scenario. Tulip is standing in the lunch line. She is hungry and the line is moving slowly. She grabs her stomach, makes loud groaning noises, and shouts, "I'm starving! Feed me! Feed me!" Use prompt 2. Is Tulip being dignified? 3, 2, 1. Last scenario. Tulip trips over a tree root on her playground. She stands up, calmly brushes herself off, and continues to play. Is Tulip being dignified? Talk to your partner. Three, 2, 1. What is the word that we learned today that means confident, calm, and in control? Good job. Dignified. On the right side of the screen, you'll see it says, adding to the lion's majesty is its thunderous roar. Thunderous is the next word you're going to learn. And a male lion is sometimes referred to as king of the beasts because of the dignified and majestic or king-like manner. The lion also has a majestic roar. The word thunderous means making a loud, rumbling noise like thunder. The lion's thunderous or loud and rumbling roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Thunderous noise is a loud, rumbling noise like thunder. What things might make a thunderous noise? Use prompt 1. Blank might make thunderous noise blank. If you need extra help with how to fill those prompts in, you might say a semi-truck might make thunderous noise on the highway. Talk to your partner. Three, 2, 1. Notice that the word thunderous has a suffix of OUS on the end. In prior lessons, we've talked about the prefix dis, D-I-S, and how when we add that prefix, it can change the meaning of the word. In the word thunderous, the root word we have here is thunder. And what happens when we add the suffix OUS, that means having or full of. Okay, well, whatever. So thunderous, there's the word thunder, and then when you add the suffix OUS to it, it's now full of thunder or having thunder. So think of the word danger. What word do you make when you add the suffix OUS to danger? Dangerous. What does dangerous mean? Full of danger. Can you think of other words that end with the suffix OUS? Come up with a few with your partner right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Maybe you said the word poisonous. Poison, full of poison, poisonous. Or adventurous, full of adventure. Or courageous, full of courage. Or maybe even mountainous, full of mountains. What is the word that you learned today that means making a loud, rumbling noise like thunder? Thunderous. Great job. That is the end of your vocabulary lesson today. Please take the next 5 minutes with your partner practicing and quizzing previous new words from weeks before.